Aapeli shopping center in Kuopio, staircase B.
This one has doors in both sides.
Yeah.
This one doesn't go to the lowest floor.
Yeah.
So it has this black thing.
Yeah.
Building 2003, H71905. This is the nearest Sigma ever built.
Yeah.
So this is a good exception of when you find the newest Kone Sigma.
Yeah.
Because the other ones were starting with the, well, this one is the 05.
Yeah.
At least this one has visual lights.
Yeah.
Is this? Wait, what is that?
Hi, no.
It's a, is it an very effect?
Yeah.
Oh, you can see this good clear. I'm gonna take a picture of this. Not in service. Then there's the fireman user. Then there's the help is coming, and then the fireman user.
Yeah.
No, it's not. It's, I don't know. Patient use.
Yeah.
Now to first floor.
Third one.
Oh yeah. Wow, it doesn't make that those effects from PV2 to P1
Yeah.
or to first one.
Because the basement floors are not so tall.
Oh. Is that the reason?
Yeah.
First story.
P1.
Did you already say these?
No, inspected by Kiva inspector, maintained by Kone. That's